Today we will be setting up the remote control for your Ryder toy. First we will begin with adding batteries to the remote control. Please note that the batteries are not included with your purchase. Once the batteries are in place and the remote lights up, we will proceed with pairing the remote to the car. Begin with turning on the car and holding down the center code button for 3 seconds. Once the light on the remote begins to flash, please allow some time for the remote to pair to the car. When the light on the remote turns solid, the pairing was successful. The remote control will automatically power off once the car is turned off. Here are the awesome remote control features that are exclusive to Ryder Toys. Check out RyderToys.com for the newest and most advanced ride-on kid cars in the world.